Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will learn how to make mosquito coil. Friends, I will show how to make mosquito coil in a full practical video. It is very easy to make mosquito coil and the business of mosquito coil is very profitable as the demand of mosquito coil in remote areas are very high due to lack of electricity there. Friends, without wasting time, let's start. Friends, remember one thing, please watch full video without skipping in between the video so that you can make mosquito coil perfectly. Friends, after the video, I will also tell you the quantity of raw materials. Now, let's start. Friends, first I am showing you the raw materials. The first ingredient is charcoal powder. The second one is jiggered powder. And the third one is sawdust. And one chemical which is very important is RTD. First, take 3 ingredients, charcoal powder, jiggered powder and sawdust and mix them together. Then add RTD and mix it properly with all the ingredients. Then mix color in it and mix it properly. You can add any color of your choice, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, any. Then add some water in it and mix it properly and knead it like a flour dough. Now I am telling you how to make mosquito coil manually. For that, take dough and divide it into small parts. Then take a piece and roll it like this. For easy rolling, you can put the piece of dough inside the polythene. Now keep it below the machine and press it. See, the coil is ready. You can buy a pressing machine instead of rolling manually. See how they are doing. Now I am showing you semi-automatic mosquito coil machine. Now I am showing you working of fully automatic mosquito coil machine. Friends, if you are interested to do business of mosquito coil, please start manually so that if the business flourish, then it is good for you, but if you incur some loss, it will be less. That's why always business should start with low investment. Now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of charcoal powder should be 25%. The quantity of jiggered powder is also 25%. Sawdust is 30%. The quantity of RTD is 10%. For color, you can add any color of your choice and you can add fragrance also. Again, for fragrance, you can add any fragrance of your choice. The quantity of water is 10%. You can increase or decrease quantity of water according to requirement. Friends, if you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. And friends, did you like my video? If you do, please click the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon button. After pressing bell, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is written on the top. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So if you want to see my future videos, please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.